good morning. It's currently 7:27 a.m. and I'm about to pack for a staycation with Crystal at the 21C hotel with me just for one night. I don't have much time. I have to be out of the house at 11 a.m. so stick with me as I pack and I get out of here. It's currently 2:02 p.m. Yes, 2:02 p.m. We had some little setbacks, but we are here. We are here and we're about to have a good time. This is the Savoy. It opens up to the public every single day at 5 p.m. Welcome to the 21C corner suite. When you walk in, this is what you see. You have a sitting area and you have a little dining area as well. They brought us wine. We have some water here. This is our view from our window. You're going to walk in here to your bathroom. You have 2 vanity mirrors and 2 sinks, which is perfect for Crystal and I. That's the shower. You have some extra towels down here. Love that. From the bathroom, you're gonna walk into the bedroom. In here, we have another extra robe, an ironing table, some hangers, an iron which I'll be using for sure, a luggage stand, some extra pillows, and I think that's it. We are heading for dinner. Say hi, Crystal. Hi. I have a little change of clothes, so I'm always carrying so much stuff. More socialized. It's sophisticated. Yeah. That's right. Thank you. And social cat. Oh, thank you. Thank you so much. No. Love you. Thank you. Yeah. It's interesting.
Well, most of the meat will be in here, so I'm curious how that tastes.
These ones,
Yeah, I'm not really.
the butter
Fingers?
crab fingers. These are my favorites. Really, really good. I can eat 2 of these.
How do you feel about that one? You give it another try.
I'll give it another try, but I think it's very rich and creamy. That's how it looks like. That's your crab.
Oh yeah, that should be a good piece.
Thank you.
Very well.
Cheers.
How was this course so far?
This chicken is amazing.
Yeah,
So
do you want me to explain it?
Yes, please.
So we do the chicken breast,
Uh-huh.
and then the top layer is the tender meat, the thigh meat, kind of turned into almost like a sausage, but without all the spice. Pearl truffle, some scallion. It's then wrapped in fat and then poached.
I wonder if I eat the dry pineapple. Try. Salty. I love her to try it first.
It gets salty.
You don't think so?
Maybe sour.
Yeah. Sour is the right word. All my dresses are silk, so I cannot wear them twisted.
Take your head a little more towards the camera so we can see.
It's currently 5:56 a.m. About to go get my makeup off and literally get ready for today because we're checking out from the hotel at 4 p.m. and we have more places that we have to shoot today. So yeah, I'm so tired, but Got this. I'm gonna be using the Clinique cleansing balm to take off my makeup. Just rub that in. Well, next, I'm going to go in with my Clinique facial soap. I'm using this to my Clinique toner. I'm going to go in with my Moisture Surge. I'm going to go ahead and apply some Clinique eye cream just to help with some puffiness because, you know, I've not slept tonight. So I'll go in with my Clinique moisturizer. Finishing up my skincare with the Laneige lip mask. We are ready to start the day again because it's literally, I think, 7 a.m. and we have to start getting ready again for today.
Excuse me, do you know where to stay? Oh, they charge your room. Is it even checking?
Someone graciously paid for our breakfast. There's some bacon, eggs, and then some bread, and here's some fruits. I'll show you guys here. Currently in our robes for some robe photo shoot, and this is how our bed looks like.
It's not bad. Maybe a little closer. Okay.
This is the gym room here at 21C. I'm wearing this because of Ali's blazer, Kate Spade bag, Steve Madden palms. Majority of my jerseys are from Express. We're heading outside to grab our last shots in front of the hotel, and that will be it for our stay. I think there's no better time than now to say goodbye. Thank you guys so much for joining me on the 21C staycation. I hope you guys had fun. It's such a lovely hotel, so if you're in Kansas City, make sure you check it out. Even if you're visiting, make sure you check it out as well. Gros bisous, bye.